What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I've created a super easy and a super flexible toddler schedule that is sure to keep your little one busy throughout the day so you can leave the mom guilt behind. So if I can just level with you guys for a second here. Juggling kids, work, life, everything is hard work. Some days the time just seriously flies by so fast and the things that I thought I was going to get to just don't happen, and I feel like I really missed the boat on spending some quality time with Kai. And as a parent, it is so easy to fall into the trap of thinking I'm not doing enough, or at the very least I could be doing better. So what's really helped me get rid of some of that stress and guilt is putting together a simple, very simple, yet flexible schedule for Kai throughout the day. Because after all, kids do really well when they've got a routine. And as far as parents are concerned, we're most productive when we have a schedule that we're following. So today I'm gonna share with you guys how to create a very simple toddler schedule template filled with activities that will enhance your child's development and get you the most bang out of your time together. So because I'm an occupational therapist, when I'm thinking of activities to incorporate in Kai's day, I'm really thinking of the 5 major categories of development and how I can pull activities from each of these categories to make sure that Kai's kind of getting a little bit of everything. Now, I understand that might sound a little daunting, but I promise you it is so much easier than it sounds. And I've actually put together a PDF for you guys completely free. Click the link down below in the description box that breaks down a list of activities in each of these 5 categories, so you literally can just look at the activity and plug it into your day. So I've also included a lot of activities on this list that cover multiple categories of development. That way, when you're super pressed for time and you're really just wanting to get the most out of your one chosen activity, you're able to cover multiple categories of development in just one single activity. And I'll give you guys a quick example of this. One of the activities on that list is imitating animal sounds and movements. So if we think about this, of course we're incorporating gross motor skills because our child is going to be using large muscle groups to imitate animal movements such as crawling, running, jumping. But then cognitively they're thinking about, what sound does that animal make? And incorporating their language skills by imitating that sound or creating that sound. And finally, they're really getting to work on their social skills by incorporating turn taking with either yourself or another child. See, it really doesn't sound that bad, does it? Now, I'm aware that everyone's schedule is completely different, but this is what my schedule looks like with Kai when we have a full day together. So I'll usually include 2 semi-structured activities between waking up and nap time or lunch, depending on which comes first. Then there's 2 semi-structured activities between waking up from nap or lunch to late afternoon. And then finally, we end the day with 2 semi-structured activities between the late afternoon and bedtime. And again, I will usually just plug in these activities from the list that I've created for you guys, and it's so easy. A lot of them require little to no setup and little to no cleanup, which is amazing. And I swear this has been working wonderfully for us. So I just really wanted to share this idea with you guys to get the wheels turning and see if this is something that might benefit or fit you and your family dynamic. But I'm very curious if you guys have things that are working for you in terms of a schedule or things that aren't working so well for you, please share them down below. I'm sure there are people who would love some more advice, tips, or tricks, and we are all a community trying to help one another out. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the box here in the corner, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.